When he was 10 years old, Rob Freres earned $1 an hour to use a pike pole to push logs from the pond into his family's veneer plant. The pond has since been filled and the pike pole replaced with a crane to move logs from the decks to the veneer plant. While equipment and techniques have come and gone since T.G. Freres established Freres Lumber Company in 1922, what has remained steadfast is the family's pioneering spirit. Now president of Freres, Rob, 62, shared their newest innovation, the Mass Panel Plywood, or MPP. What we are doing with MPP is a natural evolution of everything we have already done, Rob said. At a tour of the new MPP plant along with Kyle and Tyler Freres, Rob shared MPP is set to revolutionize the wood products and construction industries. Kyle is the vice president of operations and Tyler is the vice president of sales. Freres innovation is transforming the way people think about construction and the building materials used. MPP is a building product that sequesters carbon, is sustainable, and it can reduce the labor and time required to construct mid to high-rise buildings. On a trip to Germany, twin brothers Tyler and Kyle traveled with representatives from Oregon State University's College of Forestry and the Center of Advanced Wood Products to learn about cross-laminated timber, or CLT. While CLT is a beautiful product, we knew we could do something better, Kyle said. Tyler said MPP differentiates itself from other mass timber products in that MPP uses engineered veneer and custom plywood layered as a base rather than using lumber. It is a massive, large-scale plywood panel with dimensions up to 12 feet wide, 48 feet long, and 24 inches thick. The panels are cut to the architect's specifications. Once the panels arrive at a job site, the construction crew can assemble them like a giant Lego set, saving construction time. There are currently more than 400 buildings in the U.S. that are in planning or under construction using mass timber. In the March issue of Panel World magazine, a story featuring Freres reads, "Now it may be debatable whether Freres Lumber's new $32 million Mass Plywood Panel plant is the gutsiest move in industry history, as one industry observer called it, but there's no debating that Freres is breaking new ground." Ancient Greek philosopher Plato is attributed for saying, "Necessity is the mother of invention. A need or problem encourages creative efforts to meet the need or solve the problem." Facing hurdles including competition from wood imports, government restrictions on available timber, and labor shortages both in the mills and on construction sites, MPP was a solution to all three challenges. MPP is an evolutionary leap in many ways for the construction industry, the wood products world, and the development of mass timber products. According to Rob, the benefits and uses of MPP are only limited by the imagination. At Freres, we have leveraged our history and our experience creating engineered wood products to invent a drastically different mass timber panel in terms of product, performance, and process, Rob said. It truly is exhilarating to see how our family has used technology and innovation to create this revolutionary new product. For its vision, enterprising spirit, innovation, and outstanding leadership, Freres Lumber Company Incorporated has been chosen as Sedcor's 2018 Manufacturer of the Year.